How to fix Windows recovery error code 0xc0000221. 1. Do a physical check. Check installed hardware, hard drive, RAM, its connector points. Common tips include 1. Removing any external hardware. 2. Clean your hardware. 3. Using some multimeter to check the voltage. 4. Running a Windows memory diagnostic. 2. Try the following options. 1. Startup repair. Uninstall updates. System restore. System recovery. Hint, you should locate M in Windows Safe Mode. 3. Uninstall third-party software in safe mode. 4. Restore system files in safe mode. Commands include c dircd windows/system32/config dircd writeback dir. You should see the contents on writeback. If it's 0 bytes, this alternative won't work. Ren default 1 ren sam 1 ren security 1 ren software 1 ren system 1 cd writeback copy. 5. Perform SFC and PISM scans in the command prompt pane in safe mode. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan help dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. 6. Perform Microsoft check disk scan in the command prompt pane in safe mode. Command CHKDSK/F/R/X7. Run bootrec in the command prompt pane in safe mode. Commands include bootrec/fixmper bootrec/fixboot/export c:\bcd backup a trip c:\boot/bcd hrs ren c:\boot/bcd bcd.old bootrec/rebuild day. Reset your Windows in its safe mode. 9. Do a clean Windows OS installation.